Hi, welcome to this new lesson. In this lesson, you will learn how to create lists in Python programming language, in addition to some important functions that lists support. First, let's get started with the theoretical definition of lists. In Python programming language, a list is created by placing all the items or elements inside square brackets, separated them by commas. The list may contain numbers, strings, booleans, or any data type you want. Lists in Python are used to store multiple items or elements in a single variable, and you can use this variable later in your program. Lists are one of 4 built-in data types in Python programming language, used to store collections of data. The other 3 are tuple, set, and dictionary, all with different qualities and usage. Now, let me show you how to create a simple list in Python programming language in an example. As you can see here, we created a simple list called myFruits, and it has 3 items. All these items of string data type, and we printed myFruits using the print function, as you can see. Basically, list items are ordered, changeable, and allow duplicate values. List items are indexed. The first item has index 0, the second item has index 1, the third item has index 2, and so on. When we say that lists are ordered, it means that the items have a defined order, and that order will not change. So what is the meaning of changeable? The list is changeable, meaning that we can change, add, and remove items in a list after it has been created. Since lists are indexed, lists can have items with the same value. In this case, for myFruits list, we duplicated 2 items. We repeated fig and apple. And you can see no error occurred here. Now, how do we can find out the number of elements in a list? To know or determine how many items in a list, you can use the len function from the Python standard library. The length of myFruits list here is 5. This list has 5 items, so we got 5. You can place any type of data in a list, or you can say that list items can be of any type of data. The first list is called myNumbers, and it has integer numbers data type, 5 items of integers. The second one is called myBooleans, and it has 3 items of boolean values. Also, a list can contain different type of data at the same time in the same list. Let's see that. Here we have a list called mixed list, and it has different types of data: integer, string, float, boolean, and another string called high in between double quotes at the end of this list.